In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Visa gift card to make a purchase on Shein. Whether you've got all your favorite items lined up and ready to go, or you're simply in the process of browsing, I'll guide you through the checkout process smoothly, ensuring you can use your gift card without a hitch. To begin, you'll want to start by adding the items you love to your Shein cart. Take your time to select pieces that truly speak to your style, and don't hesitate to read through reviews and check size guides if you need that extra bit of assurance before making your final choices. Once you're satisfied with your selections and your digital cart is filled with those must-have items, it's time to proceed to checkout. As you navigate to the checkout page, you'll be presented with various payment options. Here, you need to select the credit/debit card method. Although you're using a gift card, this option is still valid for processing the Visa gift card. This method works similarly to a regular credit or debit card transaction, giving you the flexibility to use your card balance effectively. Next, you'll come to the section where you need to input your card details. Carefully enter your Visa gift card number. This series of digits is typically located on the front of the card. After that, key in the expiry date, which you should find printed on the card as well, often formatted as a 2-digit month and year. Lastly, don't forget the CVV. This 3-digit security code is usually found on the back of your card and offers a layer of security for online transactions. With all these details correctly entered, you can proceed to complete the payment. If everything checks out, your gift card should successfully cover the cost of your purchase, and you'll receive a confirmation of your order. At this point, you can sit back and look forward to your new items arriving. However, there might be a situation where your gift card balance doesn't quite cover the full amount. In this case, don't worry, there's a straightforward solution. Shein allows you to split the payment with another method. This flexibility means you can easily pay the remaining balance with a different credit or debit card. By selecting this option, you ensure that the transaction goes through without any issue, and your favorite pieces from Shein are still on their way to you. And that's all there is to it. Following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully using your Visa gift card on Shein. Whether you're updating your wardrobe or just treating yourself to something special, this process makes sure you can use your gift card balance effectively and secure your purchase seamlessly.